Hi, this is Robert Valentine from LeanCoach. I'm here to teach you Lean Six Sigma principles and methodologies in a simple way that can be applied in any industry. Have you ever received a customer complaint but struggled with identifying what was causing the issue? I have, and that is when I learned the importance of evaluating the full value stream. Now, I was a brand new lean manufacturing leader and I encountered a problem I did not know how to solve. We had these stainless steel parts that were continuously being rejected by our customer because of small scratches on either end. It was costing our plant about $10,000 each week. I did everything I could think of, from implementing check sheets to observations to conducting interviews, but I could not identify these scratches. I finally humbled myself to a point where I could walk into my plant manager's office and I said, "Louis, I cannot figure this out." Like any great leader, Louis stopped what he was doing and he walked me to the plant floor and he taught me a principle that I'll never forget. He explained the importance of evaluating the entire process from the moment the customer places the order until they receive that order in hand. We call this the value stream. He also introduced me to a problem-solving framework that I'll share with you in a later video. But we use that framework at every step of the process until I ended up at the customer's plant, where I identified the scratches. This meant the product was leaving my plant in pristine condition and arriving with defects. There was a problem in the transportation process. So what do we do to fix it? I implemented a much more robust packing system that prevented the metal pieces from ever touching one another despite the vibrations and movement of the truck. Problem solved, thanks to the evaluation of the full value stream. Now I'd love to see your comments below on what different methodologies or tools you've used in your organization to help solve complex problems. And please continue to follow LeanCoach as we release more content designed and helping you become a more strategic leader and thinker.